Managing your finances does not have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't really need to know about all these fancy words like balance sheet and PE ratio and EBITDA and so on. Now, these might seem obvious, but obvious is good. Let's keep it simple and have it relatable so that it's easy to understand and easy to stick to. The first step to manage money is obviously you need to have money. You need to make money. It doesn't have to necessarily be through a job. It can be a side hustle. It can be your own business. You need to find some way to come up with money. You need to find some way to earn money. The second obvious thing that you need to do is spend wisely, spend sensibly. There is no point in listening to people who say don't spend, don't enjoy your life. But at the same time, you need to really understand where you need to spend, what you need to spend on, and understand how much you can spend. Spend in a way that doesn't empty all of your income. So now that you've earned money and spent sensibly, the third obvious thing is to understand what you need to do with the remaining money, and that is to save it. Save it, save it, save it. Don't be tempted to spend it. Now, if you want to know exactly what all you can do with your disposable income, I'll leave a link on how you can learn to create an emergency fund, save, invest, and so on. But the bottom line is you need to use that disposable income to multiply the money. You don't just leave it under the mattress. You don't just leave it in your current account. You use that money to make more money. Now, to understand all of that and keep all of that in check, the simple thing that you need to create is a budget. If you haven't seen any of my videos on budgets before, check those out. I'll leave links on that as well. In fact, I recently published a video on how you can become a millionaire even if you're earning a very low salary. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it at the end of this one. Listen, please do leave a like if you enjoyed this video, found any value from this video. That would really help me out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. All I do is personal finance content. I'll catch you in the next one. My name is Kenneth and you're watching Boss Your Money. Take care.